Hi, I'm Randy Altig from Quick and Easy the Costco Way, and today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy grilling can be when using Kingsford Professional Briquets. On our menu today will be Hawaiian pork tenderloin rainbow kebabs, grilled hearts of romaine salad, and of course, grilled garlic bread. One grill for a complete meal. Now I've already cubed and been marinating the pork tenderloin for 3 hours in the refrigerator with my delicious signature Hawaiian marinade. Now for basting, let me show you how I made it. First, we'll combine soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, brown sugar, extra virgin olive oil, red pepper flakes. We'll put in our garlic, and of course, our surprise guest, the ground ginger. And then we'll give that a quick whisk here. And next, I'll show you how we're gonna start to build our kebabs. Here's my chef's tip. I like to use 2 skewers for stability on the grill when turning the kebabs. I also like to create a colorful effect by alternating the fruit, the vegetables, and the pork. Now they are ready for the grill. To make our garlic spread, we'll take salted butter, minced garlic, oregano, Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix, and we'll just stir that up. Now it's ready to put on our bread slices, and they're ready for the grill. It's really easy to make a grilled hearts of romaine salad. First, you cut it in half. We'll brush it very lightly with extra virgin olive oil, add on some pepper and a little bit of salt. They're now seasoned perfectly, and they're ready for the grill. So let's get started by preparing our grill for cooking. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can do this. You can create a pyramid of briquettes and light following package directions. Or you can use a briquette chimney, which I'm going to show you today. Now, I've already filled my chimney with Kingsford briquettes. So I'll go ahead and take 3 Kingsford briquettes. I'll place them on the center of the grill, add a little lighter fluid, close the cap, and light. Now I'll place the chimney over the briquettes. Remember to leave the grill uncovered to let the flames die out. It takes about 10 minutes for the briquettes to burn and ash over. There are several reasons why I love grilling with Kingsford charcoal. They use 100% natural ingredients and a premium wood char to ensure professional quality results, which gives a hotter burn for searing and flavor, consistent temperature, and heat control. They are now ready to spread out on the grill for today's recipes. We'll spread them in a 2-zone fire configuration, which is known as the go-to configuration for almost everything you grill. With a 2-zone fire, your coals are spread out over half the grill, leaving the other half empty. This gives you all the advantages of direct heat for searing and the flexibility of indirect heat for cooking slowly or managing flare-ups. Ideal for what's on the menu today. Our briquettes are ready, so we'll go ahead and put on our grate, and then we'll cover with a little bit of olive oil. Cooking time will be about 15 minutes or until the pork reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees. While grilling, we'll turn our kebabs twice and then we'll baste with our Hawaiian marinade. The kebabs are seared, so we'll go ahead and move them to the other side of our grill for indirect cooking, which will make room for our garlic bread and our hearts of romaine. So I'll place them on the grill, cut side down for 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as you see the char forming on the romaine, it's time to remove them from the grill. The bread is ready, so we'll go ahead and turn that over. We're gonna grill it on the back side for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll place our cheese over the top. Next, we'll place the grill lid back on so that the cheese can melt into the bread. The bread is perfectly done and ready to come off of the grill. We'll now garnish with a little bit of chopped parsley. So let's finish off by taking one of our hearts of romaine. We'll drizzle over that our Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. We'll put on some blue cheese crumbles, some crushed hazelnuts, and then a few turns of fresh ground pepper. Next, we'll add on one of our beautiful rainbow kebabs, a few pieces of garlic bread because one is never enough. And there you go. How beautiful. You're gonna be really famous with your family and friends. I hope that you've enjoyed watching today's Hawaiian rainbow kebabs. For more Kingsford grilling tips, go to kingsford.com or head over to costco.com. Quick and easy, and click on entrees, one meal on a grill, and learn just how quick and easy grilling with Kingsford Professional Briquets can be. And remember, real wood, real smoke, and real fire-grilled flavor. From Quick and Easy and me, enjoy.
Quick and easy, the Costco way.